My name is Deanna Kleina with West Coast Lifestyle Group, and today I am at my favorite complex in North Burnaby, Braemar Gardens, and I can't wait to show you this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, corner unit townhouse that's over 2,200 square feet. This spacious living room has gorgeous real hardwood floors, lots of windows for natural light, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The oversized kitchen has a new fridge and is ready for your inspired ideas, with 2 sets of French doors that lead right to your private patio. Basement has a recreation, laundry, storage room, and the mudroom leads right out to your 3-car covered parking spots. Well-managed, all-owner, family-oriented complex has a beautiful garden courtyard, indoor pool, and an amenity room with a large outdoor space for events. I hope you love this unit as much as I do. And on top of that, it has centrally located. You can walk to the Skytrain, to Lougheed Mall, short drive to Costco, highway access. Everything is close by. So for more information on this beautiful property, please give me a call at 604-789-8202.